Somebody at the door? Ooh, what'd we get? What'd we get? Ah, that's what I've been waiting for. It's time for an unboxing. I've been waiting for this. Harley-Davidson bill. Yep. Aha. Instructions. Wonder what this is going on. What's up, YouTube? Old Man Ronin here. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, we got a really emphasis on really simple mod to make today to the 1200 Sportster. If you've seen the previews there, we did an unboxing, and we've got a little visor ring to put on the headlight. Now, the reason why I decided to do it is because I really love the shape of bullet shape headlights. However, they're expensive. This little mod here cost under $50, and I think you'll enjoy the look. So let's get started. When I say this mod is ridiculously simple, it's almost hardly worth putting a video out on it. But you know what? I need the content. Plus, you know, there's people that don't really know how to do this kind of stuff. So that's what we're going to do. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Now you see we already have this Daymaker light in there already. So, or I should say Daymaker knockoff. I'll put a link in the description to say exactly what it is. Stay. As you can see, the key is for these, make sure they're straight. And it's got a little, I'll show you. It's got a little rubber seal in there. Make sure that's pushed in. Line it up. Make sure it's snug all the way around and your headlight is straight. If everything looks copacetic, then you can get your screw and tighten her back on. It's really that simple. Now, I don't put any Loctite on this, but I do check my screws every once in a while. And it's really as simple as that. Give her a good tighten. Make sure everything is straight in your headlight. Make sure it's good and tight then, after you've done that. Nothing moves around. And then wipe her off. Doesn't that look better? I'm telling you, it really adds to the look of the bike. And it's just a simple mod. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And I know it's super simple, but this is a bonus feature. Instead of having the videos coming out every Sunday and Wednesday, we thought we'd throw one in the middle of the week sometime. So especially something simple as a visor trim ring install. And again, one of the reasons we did it is because I really love the look of a bullet-shaped headlight, and they're expensive. So to get that look, Harley actually has a visor style trim ring to put on your headlights. I have a couple of them already. I have one on the Road King, I have one on the Deluxe, and now I have one on the 1200C. And again, it gives me that bullet shape that I so like, and I think it really looks good. Obviously, you can see the videos. We'll put a little one in the corner up here about you know, as far as a side view, because I think it's beautiful. Well, until next time, make sure you like, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Let's see. We'll put the subscribe up there as well too, and share and comment, and of course hit the bell notifications, because that way you'll know when these bonus features come out besides every Sunday and Wednesday. So until next time, ride safe and keep her on two wheels, baby.